Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 108, that is special array with x elements greater than or equal to x, and in this we'll be given an array nums of non-negative integer nums, and is considered special if there exists a number x such that there are exactly x numbers in the nums which are greater than or equal to x. And notice that x does not have to be an element in nums, and we have to return x if there is special, otherwise return -1. Okay, and it can be proven that if nums is special, the value for x is unique. Okay, that means there is only one x. For example, in this we are having 3 5, so my x is 2 because there are two elements which are present in the array which are greater than 2, so that's why my answer comes out to be 2. Okay, so for this, firstly what we'll be having is I'll be using the binary search with answer space, and as my length of the number is only 100, so at max I can have an answer of 100 only. Okay, so I'll be setting my max variable to 100 and my min variable to 1, and also I'll be having my answer variable which will be initially initialized with -1. Okay, now while my minimum is less than or equal to maximum, what I'll be doing is I'll be calculating the middle element, that will be equal to left plus right minus left by 2. Okay, uh, yeah, it's recording. Okay, then what I'll be checking is I'll be checking the number of uh, like the number of numbers which are I'll be counting the numbers which are greater than x greater than or equal to my mid and the, okay, so I'll in the nums array. Okay, I'll be having the count numbers. For that I'll be having num and I'll be passing on the mid. Okay, and then sorry, here I need to store it, and frequency, let's say, or else let's have count equal to this. Okay, then what I'll be checking is that if my count is equal to my mid, that means the number of number which are greater than my mid is equal to the mid. For example, in this case only, let's say there are only two numbers which are greater than 2, so then my answer comes out to be 2. Okay, so in that case what I'll be doing is I'll be setting my or I can, instead of setting, I'll just return my mid. Okay, and if, then I'll be checking that if count is less than mid, so in that case I need to show lessen my answer space. So what I'll be doing is I'll be setting my max equal to mid -1, else what I'll be doing is I'll be setting my min equal to mid plus 1. Okay, and if I still don't find the answer, I'll be returning -1, or let's say my answer only. Okay, now let's give it a quick run. Okay, obviously it's just muscle memory that I always use mid, left and right, min, not min and max. Now let's run it. Oh, sorry. I've made a big mistake again this time. I forgot to write the function only. So private int count numbers int nums, and my middle element, let's say num only. Okay, and I'll be having a count variable here. So for int I in nums, I'll be getting that if my I is greater than or equal to num, I'll be increasing my count, and at then I'll be returning my count. Okay, now let's quickly give it a run again. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.